To see eye to with, to agree, a jaundice eye, prejudice, to see red, to find fault with, to push somebody to the ball, to defeat him, to be in two minds, to be uncertain, leave one to sink or swim, not to help one, to rip up old score, to revive a quarrel which was almost forgotten, a square peg in round hole, an impossible task, to carry off the whale, to bag the first position, to live in clover, to live in great comfort and luxury. Pin money allowance made to a lady for her expense, to keep the bulb away from the door, to keep away from extreme poverty. Get down brass tacks, beginning to talk in plain, straightforward terms, to shadow the white feather, to show sign of cowardice, to leave no avenue unexplored, to try every source, speak and spend neat and clean, to take the wind out of another's sails, to anticipate another and to gain advantage for him, to carry the coal to Newcastle, to do unnecessary things, to over the cover, to pass the crisis in double quick time very quickly. The pros and cons for and against a thing, a shop of service, ransom to an enemy, to give one a long rope, to allow a mind to continue his mistake or crimes, to hit the nail on the head, to guess it right. A breaker dozen 13. To have full hands, to be rich, to have full hands, to be fully upbeat, to run amok, to run about in frenzy, a fool in a china shop, a person who is rough and clumsy, where a skill and care are required, by fair means or fall, in any way honest or dishonest, to look down one's nose at, to regard with half hidden displeasure or contempt, hard-working in difficulties, to be at once figure ends, to be completely conversant with, to pull strings, to exert hidden influence, a greenhorn, an experienced man, to be old at the hills, to be very ancient, to look sharp, to be quick, to show one's teeth, to adopt a threatening attitude, to pour oil in trouble butter, to calm in quarrel with soothing words, to play on a fiddle, to be busy over trifles, to mind one's P and Q, to be accurate and precise, at once beg and call, to be always at one's service. Swan song, last work of a poet or musician before death, to play to the gallery, trying to get appreciation from least intelligent people, to break the ice, to end the hostility, to while the knocker, to tip the office boy, to cut the crackle, to stop talking and start, to take somebody for a ride, to deceive or humiliate him, to cool one's heel, to be kept waiting for sometimes, by the rule of thumb, by practical experience with each rather rough, a full errand, a useless undertaking, to put somebody in his place, to mistake him humble, to talk soft, to talk about business or professional affairs, to keep one's head above water, to keep out of debt, to go at each other hammer and tongues, to argue noisy, to live fast, to lead a life of dissipation, once in a blue moon, on rare occasions, to hold a brief for, to defend someone, to hold somebody to ransom, to humiliate somebody, to hit the jackpot, to get an unexpected victory, to let the kite out of the bag, to tell a secret without intending to do so, to pay off old a score, to settle a dispute, a cock and bull story, a foolish and connected story, to beat the air, to make efforts that are useless or vain, to be a good Smartian, a genuinely charitable person, to take a leaf out of somebody's book, to take him as a model, to get to see the Thames on fire, to try to do the impossible, to cast pearls before a swine, to offer someone a thing which he cannot appreciate, to cast pearls before a swine, to offer someone a thing which he cannot appreciate, to bear the palm, to bend, to change color, to shift agents, to change color, to shift agents, to cut the Gordian knot, to solve a difficult problem, to wrangle over an ice shadow, to quarrel over trifle, to have one's heart in one's boots, to be deeply depressed, to strike one's colors, to surrender, to cry wolf, to raise a false alarm, to give one's ears, to mistake almost any sacrifice, to hang up one's hat, to make oneself comfortable in another person's home, to get the hang of a thing, to understand the meaning of it, to make a sort, to make a gauge, a mind of weight, a mind of importance, pale male, inherited disorder, to put one on one's metal, to rouse one to do one's best, to ride hell or for leather, to ride with furious speed, to take daggers, to speak to a person with hostility, be in a mire, be in difficulties, to give a rap on the knuckles, to rebuke,